Hello, my name is Jake Simonton, and I am a moderate needs teacher, special education teacher, at Central High School in Grand Junction, Colorado. And I am going to be presenting, my presentation will be covering the importance of social and emotional learning. And as we teachers love to put our acronyms, SEL for social emotional learning. And I'm going to show the importance that SEL has and the place it needs to have in our public education system. Again, understanding the importance of social and emotional learning in today's school. Our students in public education in the 21st century have so many needs and skills that they must have in order to be successful in the ever-changing 21st century. Our schools have been focused on what we call the 3 R's for the first 160 years of our public education's existence. And the 3 R's are reading, writing, and arithmetic, standing for reading, writing, and arithmetic. And it served its purpose, again, for the first 160 years of our public school system. But the past 40 years, we have seen much bigger needs arise in our students. And it has become apparent that our schools are failing the individual student. And we need to do something about that. And I believe that if we address the 4 domains, which include the physical needs of the student, intellectual needs, emotional needs, and social needs of the student, we will be able to have a more successful public school system, and our students will be able to not only be aware of and addressing the concerns our government and our communities have had about physical health, such as childhood obesity, diabetes, heart disease, but also the social emotional. And I will be showing the impact that our social emotional learning has on the individual student. And even though it's going to be hard to make these changes, whichever direction our school system continues to go or changes pathways to, will have failures. So I believe that we have the tools and the ability to make the necessary changes in our schools to address the needs of each individual student, and making it so that each individual student has the ability to be successful in the 21st century and beyond.